Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking Kanda Batata Poha. Made from flattened rice, it is an easy to cook, nutritious snack. It is often eaten for breakfast or brunch. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make delicious poha for your family and friends. Hello friends, today we are going to cook poha. To cook poha, we have taken 2 cups of poha and now we will be washing it. We have to wash it 2 to 3 times with water to remove all the dirt from the poha. And after we wash it, don't keep too much of water in it, otherwise it will become soggy when you cook it. So just wash it and remove all the water and wash it with cold water. So now we have washed it with cold water and now keep it aside. To fry the poha, we have to heat some oil in the pan. Once oil is heated, add a pinch of asafoetida, 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds. Allow mustard seeds to splutter. Once mustard seeds splutter, put some perilla. Now put 1 small size onion. Stir it well. Keep the flame on medium. Keep stirring the onion until they become translucent and soft. Now add some peanuts. Stir it until the peanuts gets roasted. So we have been roasting the peanuts for 2 to 3 minutes. So once peanuts are roasted, we will be putting chopped potatoes. We have chopped the potatoes in fine pieces and we have taken 2 medium-sized potatoes. Keep the flame on medium to low. Add the chopped green chilies. Stir it well. You can add the green chilies as per your taste. You add the salt as per your taste. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now add half a teaspoon of raw mango powder or amchur powder. Mix it well. Keep the flame on low to medium so that the potatoes doesn't stick to the pan. Now cover it with a lid for 2 to 3 minutes. It's been 2 minutes. Now we'll open the lid and check the potatoes. Stir the potatoes and make sure they don't stick to the pan. Now we'll be adding about a cup of green peas. We have taken frozen green peas. Stir it well. Now cover it with a lid and allow the potatoes to become soft. So now it's been 5 minutes and now we'll check the potatoes. Give it a stir. And if you press the potatoes, they have become soft. So our potatoes are done. So once potatoes are done, we will be adding the poha, which we have already washed. You can adjust adjust the amount of potatoes, onions and green peas as per your taste. And if you don't like anything like potatoes or onions or green peas, you can remove it. They are all optional. They will only enhance the taste of the poha. So once they are mixed properly, we will keep it on a low flame for 5 to 10 minutes until the poha absorbs all the spices. Cover it with a lid, and you have to check every 2 to 3 minutes to make sure that the poha doesn't stick to the pan. So now it's been 10 minutes since we have been cooking our poha, and we have checked every 2 to 3 minutes. So give it a stir. Put a tablespoon of sugar. Mix it well and keep it on a low flame until all the sugar is mixed properly. Adding the sugar to poha gives a nice taste. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and your poha will be ready to serve. Now our poha is done. So we will add some cilantro leaves or coriander leaves. We will add lots of coriander leaves. It gives a nice flavor and taste to the poha, and it is also healthy. Mix it well with poha. So turn off the flame, and now we can serve the poha. Now we have served the poha in a plate. And to enjoy the poha, we will be garnishing it with some finely chopped onions, some lime as per your taste. If you don't want lime, you can skip it. Garnish it with some namkeen or sev. Mix it well, and now you can enjoy your poha. And it really tastes very delicious and is a very healthy breakfast. Enjoy it with your friends and family. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more recipes. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.